Hi, my name is John Aroldo, and one thing that makes me unique from others is that I am lazy in talking. Honestly speaking, I am a type of person that is like talking a lot and making or starting a conversation, especially to those persons who I just meet for the first time and to those persons who I feel comfort with. For me, whenever I talk, I feel that my mind and body will lose its calm state because I have to respond or reply to their questions or thoughts. And then my mind will exhaust of finding those words, right words to say or reply. So sometimes I use my hands or body gestures just to respond to them. That's why sometimes many people think that I am not approachable or I am naughty or bad. However, there are some points in my life that I need to talk, like this one. If I don't talk in this subject, then I will not upgrade and I will fail. Also, I remember when I was in third year high school, I was always picked by my teacher as a contestant in an oratorical contest because she believed that I have potential. Even though I don't understand what she meant that time, still I participated because I have to. Until I realized that my situation was so ironic. That's all. Thank you.